So hey guys, that's where I am. And we reach Zoro Fall. That's all we do. We got a bath, river. Basically, Papi some meat inside there. The whole fall enough for them small crayfish. I didn't see no big ones. I see mostly like blue crayfish. I didn't know we had in Trinidad. But tie the state, tie it at 3 somewhere there and leave it. At the end of the trip, when you're ready to go home, you will see if you catch anything. I doubt, but you never know. I know what he said. You close right to the water, I change the trade over. Alright, there you go, buddy. Already going inside. You see him? Oh.
Now I get to know.
Tapu Bulu is in him.
I felt him going in.
God, no, he going in.
I know. He went around to the darker spot.
Yeah.
He under it.
Now they go in.
I'm getting in the camera and I'm watching the crayfish.
So yeah, we set the trap. We're gonna have some fun. Let the cameraman get a little swim. I'm gonna attempt to climb that. Or they might see my fall. I might see my dead. There we go. So you're going to check later. It doesn't look like we catch nothing.
Hey! Hey, wait, I see some movement.
Hey, man. Yeah, man. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out, put it in our next bottle, and then put back the trap. See how much we can catch. Yeah? Just taste the water to make sure they fresh water. Well salty. So put the crayfish in our tank, build a home for it, see if we can get them to breed, live, and then introduce them back to nature, wherever is the case. I would never ever permit going on a hike or going anywhere and just taking up, the creatures of the land. The best place for them is in the water. You know what? Me just being ignorant. I wish you could see the camera, man, to people in when I just walking straight. But yeah, so reach the end.
You laughing, but my shoes smooth.